Hello kids, look at this picture. A girl is flying a red kite. Can you see the girl too? A boy is running with a dog. Do you see the boy and the dog? The sun is shining. The flowers are blooming. Can you spot the flowers? Reading practice. A girl is flying a red kite. A boy is running with a dog. The sun is shining. The flowers are blooming. What did we see? We saw a girl, a boy, a dog, flowers, and the sun. Great job! Did you have fun reading about the sunny park? Like, share, and subscribe to Brain Pops for more such fun reading videos. Thank you!